In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a travel planner in Notion. Open Notion and look to the very top left of your workspace. Click the small drop-down arrow there to reveal the full sidebar. This expands your navigation and makes it easy to access built-in tools you'll need next. With the sidebar open, find and click Templates. This is Notion's gateway to ready-made pages and databases, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. A Templates window or Marketplace will appear. If you land on a general overview, click Templates again inside that view to jump into the full gallery. This ensures you're browsing the complete collection and not just the quick recommendations. The gallery is searchable, which is the fastest way to pinpoint the exact layout you want. In the search bar, type Travel Planner. Give it a second to load results, then scan the options. Look for a template that matches your style. Maybe a simple trip checklist or a more robust dashboard with itineraries, budgets, packing lists, and reservations. You can usually preview the structure, so take a moment to confirm it includes core elements you'll actually use, like date fields for departure and return, a place to store confirmation numbers, and sections for activities or notes. When you've found the one you like, select the template to open its details. Here, you'll see a description and screenshots that show how it's laid out. If it looks right, click Add. Notion will add the template to your workspace, typically in your private area, so you can start customizing immediately. If your workspace has multiple pages, you can move it later, but adding it now ensures everything copies over correctly. Once the template is in your space, it's time to edit. Start by renaming the page to something clear, like upcoming trips. Walk through each section to make it your own. Update database properties to match your needs. Rename fields such as destination, dates, budget, and status so they're crystal clear. Adjust date formats to your preference and set default views that make sense, like a calendar for itinerary dates or a table sorted by departure. Replace any sample entries with real trip information and add reference details such as flight times, hotel addresses, and booking links. If the template includes a packing list, tailor categories to your travel style and add checkboxes so you can tick items off as you go. Finally, tidy the layout. Drag sections into an order that reflects how you plan, add callouts for important reminders, and apply icons or cover images to make the page easy to spot. That's it. You now have a functional travel planner in Notion ready for your next adventure.